Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to connect your finisher to your Toshiba copier. I will be using a Toshiba E Studio 55C copier, and your finisher for this demonstration is an MJ1107. First thing we're going to do is connect a cable from the finisher to the back of the machine. So you're going to get this cable that comes out of the finisher, and there's a little connector pin or plastic latch here. Make sure that's on the left side, and you just pop that in through the back just like that, come away to the front. And next thing we're going to do is open up the front door of the finisher. Now you're going to receive, if you're getting the machine from us, you're going to receive a little plastic bag here with 2 screws and a bracket, which will show you where that bracket goes in a second. So make sure you don't lose that. First thing we're going to do is pull that lever out and align it to those brackets there, just like that. Once it's in there, you push that in there. You're going to come and grab your plastic bag, pull your bracket, and this is a weird looking bracket. This is the way it looks. Just make sure you hold it like that, because we're going to insert it just like that. Pop it in there just like that. And a lot of times if this doesn't fit, it could be that your floor is uneven. So there's times, let me see if I could lift this up. There's times you're going to see that and that bracket's not going to come out. Make sure you try to adjust it. I know a lot of you have these machined on a carpet. It has to pretty much make a clean drop just like that. Once it's in there, so you're going to get your screwdriver, your Phillips screwdriver, and you're just going to put that screw in there. It's just a safety screw. It just holds the bracket in place. Just like that. So when you're all done, it's going to look just like that. And this finisher will be locked in place. Close the front door and you're done. That's all there's to it. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call or visit us online. Chat with one of our reps directly from our website. Thank you for watching.